Hello, I am back with another video. Hopefully I don't look too scraggly, but I am on a business slash fun vacation here, and I'm walking around beautiful Japan. I'm in southern Japan here, and this is basically for the ATM International side of the business. So if you're already located in a non-United States country, you have seen a lot of gurus and a lot of instructors that are teaching the ATM business model kind of glance over some of the important things about the ATM business, that because of the fact that they're doing it in the United States, they don't know, or it just crossed their mind. Pretty sure they know, but they didn't think to emphasize this. So I wanted to talk about specifically is what I'm talking about is the way that you need to know your local economy. So the economy of a country or a region varies. Now I'm being specific with internationally now because we are in Japan. So certain countries have a heavy usage of credit cards and to make purchases and transactions in commerce, whereas other countries have a lot more emphasis using cash, actual cash. And this is a great example is Japan, because Japan uses cash in most of your transactions. So what I mean by that is when a person goes out to purchase even something as large as a television, a lot of times, most of the time, they're using cash. When you go out to eat, to go grab some food, when they go out to, when someone's going out to get their hair done or anything, I'd say over 98 to 95% of the time, they're using cash, okay? Even buying cars and stuff like that, automobiles, highly cash-rich transaction country. And this is just due to the historically the way that cash has been used in transactions in this country. So it's just one of those things you need to pay attention to and understand, because it will help you decide your strategy on what country that you're in. Let's say you're in Canada, you're in Mexico, you're in Germany, you're in Australia. If you know what that local currency, the way transactions are used, it's a heavily cash transaction society. You can use that to your advantage, and it'll help you in your strategy for placing your ATMs. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. This should be some very useful information. Listen to, please pay attention to it. I'm not just talking about it just because I'm out here in Japan, but this is a perfect example. You could look up a lot of business or economic, or just research it yourself if you don't, to understand a little bit more fully. But that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.